Good morning. Designers Dispatch number 4, and today we'll be talking about why designers need to understand leverage. It was Archimedes who said that give me a lever long enough and a fulcrum on which to place it, and I shall move the world. The importance of leverage. I feel leverage is one of the least spoken of concepts when it comes to design. We've heard the importance of leverage in finances, but somehow design, not really. But I do feel if you understand the amplifying nature of leverage on design, then we can sort of push our designs forward in a much better way. Finally, I've got some time. So, two of the most important things, the benefits of leverage. Number one, amplification. So whatever you're doing with smaller inputs, leverage can amplify that message. In design, that helps a lot. And number two is efficiency. Again, this is the need of the hour. Small inputs, making things better. Let me explain. Okay, so number one, identify the resource. So this is the most important one. So what you need to do is determine what resource or asset can be leveraged. And in design, I'm going to give you some ideas about that in a while. Number two, evaluate. Your spelling is okay. Potential impact. And this is one of the most important things. In this one, you have to assess how this resource can amplify the desired outcome. Number three, implement. This is simple, implement. Okay, number four is monitor and adjust. Monitor after. Okay, now let's talk about leverage in design. Let's talk about certain strategies. I'm going to give you 5 very quick ones. Strategies that can help you amplify and optimize some of the design process. Okay, let's start. Okay, number one, leveraging user feedback. The most important thing is to gather insights from the users through surveys, interviews, and usability tests. So whatever design you have is validated. Okay, number two, leveraging data. One of the most important things, use analytics, use data to validate design decisions. Okay, let's look for number three. Where is it? Okay, leveraging collaboration. Yeah, work with others. That's very important. And one of the most important thing is to have cross-functional teams. Okay, number four. Okay, leveraging technologies. Of course, this goes without saying. Use and leverage the latest technology. And number 5, where is it? Maybe it's here. One of the most important things. What is this? The most important thing in design is leveraging storytelling. Use storytelling techniques to create engaging and meaningful user experiences. That's the narrative techniques. Okay, so that's it for me. Use leverage in design. The rest is easy.